So now we study that what is a subset of a set. Now suppose X is a set which contains the names of all the students which are there in your school. Okay. And Y is a set which contains the names of all those students which are there in your class. Now clearly जितने भी names Y में होंगे वो names obviously X में भी होंगे. That means Y is a subset of X. That means we use the symbol this to show subset, and we write Y is a subset of X. Now this happens if every element of Y is an element of X. That means Y में जितने भी elements होंगे वो सारे X के भी members होने चाहिए. Then we write that Y is a subset of X. So we can also write it as Y is a subset of X. Now this is used for equality. That means Y can be either a subset of X or it can be equal to X. ठीक है. So अभी के लिए let's just study the subset. So Y is a subset of X if an element belonging to Y implies that the element belongs to X. Now this symbol is used for the meaning implies that. Okay, so इसका मतलब Y एक subset होगा X का if an element belongs to Y implies that. मतलब अगर ये चीज़ हो रही है then always the element belongs to X. So we say that Y is a subset of X. Let's just see a few examples of it. So the first example can be the set of rational numbers. The set of rational numbers is a subset of the set of real numbers. Why? Because जितने भी rational numbers होते हैं they are also the real numbers. But inverse इसका होना is not true. इसका मतलब सारे real numbers rational numbers तो नहीं होते. See, whenever a set A is a subset of B, ठीक है, and B is also a subset of A, this happens if and only if. If and only if can also be written as this symbol. Okay, so A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. This happens if and only if the set A is equals to B. ठीक है, क्योंकि इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, A का हर एलिमेंट B में है और इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि B का हर एलिमेंट A में है. That obviously means that दोनों के दोनों सेट इक्वल है. So here the set of rational numbers is a subset of real numbers और ये इक्वल नहीं होते. हमें पता है कि रियल नंबर्स में और भी नंबर्स आते हैं. So such types of subset are called proper subsets. ऐसे सबसेट्स को हम बोलते हैं प्रॉपर सबसेट्स जो कि सिर्फ कंटेनमेंट दिखाते हैं, उनमें इक्वालिटी नहीं आती. एंड ऑल्सो इफ अ सेट contains only a single element, for example 1, such type of sets are called singleton sets. Okay, now in case of subsets, if there is a set A, okay, then A is always a subset of A. और इसमें हम equality भी use कर सकते हैं because A is always equal to A. So we write that A is a subset of A. Now A is not a proper set. Also, phi, that means the empty set, is a subset of A. क्योंकि phi means an empty set. An empty set is always contained in another set. So these are basic examples of subsets of a particular set. And also this is important to know that कोई भी set किसी और का अगर subset है and the inverse is also true, then both of those sets are equal. Also, if we talk about the sets that we study in mathematics, so we can see that the set of natural numbers is a subset of the set of integers, which is again a subset of the set of rational numbers, which is again a subset of the set of real numbers. So अगर हम इसको इस तरीके से भी देखें that every natural number, and if we ignore this we get that every natural number is a subset of a real number set. Every set of integers is a subset of the set of real numbers. So these are the chains of the subsets of real numbers. So I hope that all the topics were clear to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe, and also do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can stay updated. And if you have any queries or you want any specific video to be uploaded, you can mail on the mail ID chalktalkwithvanshika@gmail.com. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.